Now let's come back with the next topic, that is phosphine. I have already written the question directly here. They've asked me explain the lab preparation of phosphine. So phosphine, the formula is PH3 and it is the best hydride of phosphorus. So if I have to speak, because what do we say for nitrogen? Ammonia is a hydride. For phosphorus, PH3 is a hydride. So the hydride of phosphorus is phosphine. So when I have to write the preparation of phosphine, simplest. They've asked me lab preparation, let us start. So how should you write in words? First important thing is you're going to start your answer like this. When white phosphorus, what is white phosphorus? How is it written? White phosphorus is always written in the form of P4, isn't it? Right. So we will write P4. So when white phosphorus is treated with concentrated sodium hydroxide, I've already shown this preparation earlier. I'm repeating the same. It's treated with concentrated sodium hydroxide, okay, concentrated NaOH in an inert carbon dioxide atmosphere. So the condition should be maintained inert atmosphere of carbon dioxide in an inert CO2 atmosphere. So let's see what's going to happen. Phosphine is prepared. Done. Let's see. Okay, phosphine PH3 is prepared. Now, well, let us see step by step. First, I'm going to take white phosphorus P4. To this, I am going to add concentrated sodium hydroxide NaOH. Along with this aqueous solution, water also. Observe carefully. Here I am going to take 3 moles of this. I am going to take 3 moles of this. Then what happens? 1 phosphorus from here and 3 hydrogens from here. This is 3 hydrogens, isn't it? It comes out as PH3. Now what am I left with? I am left again with phosphorus. There are 3 phosphoruses, isn't it? Now careful, I have written the reaction already. So simple. Now take the sodium here, Na, take hydrogen, take phosphorus, take oxygen. Done? Yes. Now let's see. Now here if I have to write, this is 3 sodiums, so 3 sodiums. How many hydrogens are there? Already 3 have come out here. Right, 3 have come out here. How many do I have? 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 9. Already 3 have come out. So this is done. I still have 6. So what should I write? I have to write 3 2s are. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Done. How many phosphorus are there? Phosphorus is 1. So I still have 3 phosphoruses. Now this is 3 phosphorus. Done. Oxygens. How many oxygens are there? 3 oxygens here, 3 oxygens here, 6. So I have to make 6. That means this is P2. So what is this? This is called sodium hypophosphite. Very important. Phosphite. Done. Now still we have not done. The phosphine which is prepared here is impure phosphine. So what do? We are going to take, okay, I'm going to take this here. Just observe carefully. We are going to take this phosphine. I am going to introduce this or add hydroiodic acid. This is HI, hydroiodic acid. Simple. What happens? This phosphine combines with this HI. What does it form? PH3 plus H becomes PH4I. Done? Yes. Now that PH4I still not complete, I have not prepared phosphine. We are going to take this PH4I. Again, I am going to introduce sodium hydroxide to this. Now observe carefully. Sodium iodide comes out as NaI. Done. 1 hydrogen from here, 1 water molecule comes out as H2O. What are we left with? We left with PH3, phosphine. Now this is your pure form of phosphine, pure phosphine. So this is how we are going to prepare in the lab. Now simple again, take white phosphorus. Let us write this as white phosphorus. I am going to add sodium hydroxide, that's sodium hydroxide plus water. When I have added completely, I said 1 phosphorus from here, 3 phosphine, sodium hydrogen phosphate. So this is impure. Now I'm going to take that impure phosphine and add hydroiodic acid. Together it forms PH4I. Now to this I am going to again treat with sodium hydroxide. Finally I get phosphine pure. The same thing, suppose if you are, instead of sodium hydroxide, if you add potassium hydroxide, what will happen? Let us write that reaction also, one more reaction. Now in the exam, if they give you P4, if they give you KOH, if they give you water, simple. Try to make 3 here, try to make 3 here. Done. First important thing, I said PH3 comes out, same procedure. This is PH3. After this, here instead of sodium, I get potassium. So again 3 moles. 3 moles of potassium. Here H2. Then PO2. plus, that's it. Okay, this is sodium hypophosphite. Here I get potassium hypophosphite. Simple, isn't it? This is how you're going to write. Yes, let's come back and do the next property or preparation of phosphine. Let us come back and do one more preparation of phosphine, that is from calcium phosphide. So calcium carbide also will be doing. Let us see this reaction. So calcium phosphide, let us name this. Okay, how is this question given? It is basically given like complete the following reaction. Done. So this is calcium phosphide. Simple. As soon as we see, what do? We try to take out calcium chloride and we try to take out this, isn't it? Suppose if I have to write this calcium chloride, let me write that. I have assumed it to be calcium chloride. Okay, displacement reaction. Now in this calcium chloride plus what else is left? This is pH. Okay, the pH doesn't make sense, isn't it? Now if I'm going to take 6 moles of this, now see how am I going to prepare. Now 6 moles of HCl. Now already here 2 have already gone. Calcium, 2 chlorines have gone. We have 4. Done. So let's first balance. Now phosphorus is here. Hydrogens, how many are there? Here we have 6 hydrogens. So I can make 3. And I can make in this way, so that phosphorus is 2 phosphoruses, and hydrogen is 6, 3 2s are 6. Done. Yes. Now let's see whether it is balanced. Calcium is 3 here, let us make 3. Done. Now when calcium is 3, chlorine is 6, so chlorine is 6 balanced. Let us come back to phosphorus. Phosphorus here is 2 phosphoruses. Hydrogen here is 6, here 3 2s are 6. Everything is balanced, isn't it? So this is how you're going to prepare. This is phosphine. This is calcium chloride, and this is your reaction.